the one that I swapped out or changed out or whatever? Just want to put the dash in?
Yeah. I don't know why the fuck they threw all that shit.
Okay, and I put the headliner in it because they had a hole in it over there. That's why I put the headliner in, because they had a hole in it. Yeah. So then they have you take one out of that other car and swap it over to this car. I remember when I changed it. I mean, they're right on the edge, dude. There's just no movement.
I know. There's absolutely nothing that we can do about these.
There's no overlap to them.
I know. Every single brand new Escape on the lot looks exactly like this.
Yeah.
Literally exact. It's just poor. It's just poor manufacturing quality, and now we're fucking eating it.
Right.
You know. It's crazy, man.
Yep.
It's so shitty. So if this headliner isn't too bad, just take it out the back, right?
Here's the back. It's actually not too bad, really, the headliner part. You can get that done pretty quick, really.
Yeah. M-time it, get 7 hours out of it. Do nothing else for the rest of the day.
Right. Right, I've worked on my one car today.
Yeah.
So, you know.
Man, how unfortunate.
Like I did what was a couple Saturdays ago. I worked on one fucking car in the morning. I did a recall or something. A recall on F-150, I think. Freezing door latches or something, freezing doors, whatever. That was the only car I worked on all fucking day.
Jesus. Fucking ridiculous. Scott Blankenship's been writing up those 18903s without customers saying anything about it.
Right.
Which is fine whenever we only had one car in here a week, you know.
Yeah.
Now that we've actually got work back, it's kind of super unfortunate that he's doing all that.
Well, I don't know if Kevin and I know Kevin and them were wanting them to write up every fucking recall that they had on them there for a while there, so that's probably why he's still doing that probably.
Yeah, that's what I can assume, but I had one truck where I was like, did the customer say anything about it? And he's like, no, and I'm like, alright, I'm not doing it. He's like, that's fine. Like, the 3.7 would be nice, but, like, I have a lot of other stuff I need to get done, and this is not an 18 an 18903 on in the middle of April.
Right.
Or middle of May isn't the answer here.
Just like the one they wanted me to do yesterday. Whatever it is. 1906, whatever it's like that. So they're not liking that, huh?
What?
That.
Yeah. No, they're not a huge fan of that.
The thing is, dude, it is right on the edge on all of them. I mean, it's right there. That rubber is right on the line.
No, I know.
There's no overlap.
Gonna do shit.
Mustangs like the same way too. There's no overlap. I mean, it just meets right there.
I'm just putting it in so that we can say that we fucking it can't possibly be anything else. But we've already put fucking headliner in it. I know you did.
Is this the one that I swapped out or changed out or whatever? Is this one I put the dash in?
Yeah. I don't know why the fuck they threw all that shit on.
Okay, and I put the headliner in it because they had a hole in it over there. That's why I put the headliner in it, because they had a hole in it.
Yeah.
So then they had me take one out of that other car and swap it over to this car.
I'm not fucking turning this guy's cameras. Yeah, you better.
Well, I mean, like I said, I just don't...
Gotta be kidding.
I guess look. I don't know what else. Yeah, we were waiting on these pillows that were on back order. These things are here because they said that they don't fit as good.
Which if he left that thing in that kind of condition, it's not good, period. He didn't even wipe the dash off, he just left that there.
Is that right there?
Yeah.
We got a couple spots too, like here, there, and there's one on this side.
Yeah, it's fingers.
I thought he was talking about this because he's like, well, there's a hole in it. I was like, well, this is why we ordered this. You know, think that's what he's talking about. And I was like, are you mean an actual hole? He's like, no, there's an actual hole in it, and send me a picture of that. And I was like, well.